Okay, so this is my first slide of data file handling section, and in this video we will learn or know about the basics of data files and the use of data file. Okay, so let's move to the definition of data files. You can see the definition of data file. A data file is a computer file which stores data to be used by a computer application or system. So file is the thing which holds the data of computer application. All application has some data which we have to store to keep safe for use using this data in long times. Okay, and the second definition of data file is file does not contain any code which will be executed. File contains only the information. So file does not contain or have any type of code which will execute by a compiler. Okay, so here is one figure which will clear the concept of data files. So this is our figure, and let us suppose any program of C++ which is using the data files. So the program may or may not be used the data file for inputting or the outputting by file, but if the program is using or getting inputs from files, then it will use the input streams. And if the program is storing the data on files, then this program will use the output streams. So this is how the files are working. Now know why we are using the data files. So there are several points which will tell you the importance of data files. So in this, the first point is to store data permanently. Okay, so if you are not using file, you will lose your data after execution over. So storing this data permanently, you have to use data files. And the second point is our data file can contain huge amount of data. So file can contain as many data that you have in your computer. So this is good that we can store huge amount of data. And the third point is, by this concept we can transfer the input and output data of file in another computer. So this has become easy to transfer the files data or programs data to one computer to the another computer. So these are the three points which tells you the importance of data files. Now in next video I will tell you about the types of files and description of files in detail. So continue with the next slide. Thanks.